Hello my good friends, and welcome to the tutorial that will teach you how to format your reference list in APA style the quick way, the batch way. You go to the UNG homepage, you come over to quick links, you click on quick links and you go to libraries. When you go into the libraries, you're going to be over here saying I go to find a database, and the database that you're looking for, of course, is the best database in the whole slot, which is the one you click on A here, and you'll go to Academic Search Complete. When you get to Academic Search Complete, you'll type in your keywords up here. I've typed in my name because I'm just going to add a few of my articles, but you go ahead and type your keywords: sentencing reform or corrections or drugs in prison, prison education, whatever your happens to be on. And you do that and you click search, but you don't click search until you have clicked full text and scholarly peer reviewed. Once you have clicked on those two things, you're going to come over and go to your results. And your results are things that you're going to put into your folder. These are articles that I have accumulated based on my search words. And then so you're going to go, okay, I'm going to put this one in my folder. I like it. Then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to put this one into my folder. That's a good article. And then I'm going to come over. You're going to read these first, of course. You go, that one doesn't apply. This one applies to me. I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to come over. And this is a good one, and that's 4 articles, so that's enough for now. So then you're going to go, okay, those things have been added to my folder. What I need to do now is view my folder. So you go to Folder View. That will take you to this page that has you in a position to export these articles that you've placed in your folders. We're exporting them because we want to import them later into another piece of software. So you click on export, and that takes you to this page here that says, how do you want your format? Do you want them saved as the direct export? Yes, that's exactly how I want them. So you click save. What this does is it places a file into your downloads folder. You'll go to your downloads folder in a minute, but first you're going to download and install the software for you, which is called Zotero. So we're going to come over here to Zotero, which I'm already in it. I've already downloaded it and installed it on my computer. And there are the articles that I just put into my folder, along with a couple others. So what you're going to do now is go to import these folders into your folder view. And what I'm doing real quickly is I'm just going to go ahead and delete these things for just a second, real quick. And then, because this when you import Zotero, this is going to, when you install Zotero, this is going to give you a blank slate. And now you need to import these things. So you click on File in your newly installed Zotero software that formats your stuff as APA, and you're going to import these things. And where are you going to import them from? Your downloads folder. So you click next, and then they say, where are these files that you're fixed to import? And you say, that's easy enough. They're in my downloads folder. So that's why I'm going to downloads right now, which is right here. And that has a group of what you're going to look for in your downloads folder is a file called delivery. So you're going to come over to your delivery file. I'm going to sort these by name real quick. And your delivery folder will be right here, Delivery IRS. And you click Next. And so what you're doing now is bringing into Zotero the 5 articles that we just put into the downloads folder that we exported from the library. And there they are. And so what you're going to do now is come over and highlight each one of these things by holding down your Shift key or your Control key. And then you right-click those folders, and it says Create Bibliography from Items. You click on the Create Bibliography from Items. You want APA 7th edition, that's the most recent form, and you're going to copy these things to your clipboard, but you don't want to copy the citations. You want to copy the bibliography. You'll be copying the citations later, but for right now we're just going to get the reference page that you're going to be using in your folder thanks to this tutorial. And so you go, okay, well, I'm copying it to the clipboard, there it is. Now you're coming over to your paper and saying, okay, all I got to do now is bring in this excellent, outstanding Zotero folder that was placed for me here on the, excuse me, I'm just minimizing this thing. And when you click paste, it brings in each one of these references as per your imported folder. So that's a nice thing to do. And once you got these things here, you've got your reference list, basically, is what I'm saying. Now, what about citing these references in your paper? In other words, in text citations. That's where you come back to Zotero and you say, okay, all I got to do now is return to Zotero and right-click this highlighted set of things that you did. You're creating the bibliography from items, but this time you're creating citations. And you're going, okay, it's copying to the clipboard. You return to your paper and you say, that is how they're cited when they are placed in each one. So that's a pretty cool thing to do. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Call me with questions, and I'll see you on the other side when we, if you need this thing demonstration done in a live version or whatever, just come into the live classroom with Batch and you'll be good to go. See you there.